OpenText ALM Octane Online Training. What is OpenText ALM Octane and how does it enhance application lifecycle management? OpenText ALM Octane is a comprehensive application lifecycle management (ALM) solution designed to manage the entire life cycle of software development, from planning and development to testing and delivery. It's aimed at improving the efficiency, quality, and collaboration of development teams working on complex applications. Here's how OpenText ALM Octane enhances application lifecycle management. Unified Platform for ALM. Octane provides a centralized platform for managing all aspects of application lifecycle management, from agile project management to test management. This reduces the need for multiple disconnected tools, streamlining processes and improving efficiency. Agile project management. It supports agile methodologies by providing tools for sprint planning, backlog management, and tracking progress using boards like Kanban or Scrum. This helps teams follow iterative development cycles and adapt quickly to changes. Collaborative environment. With integrated collaboration tools, teams can easily communicate, share information, and resolve issues quickly. This is critical in multifunctional teams working on different parts of the application. DevOps integration. OpenText ALM Octane integrates well with DevOps tools and environments. This helps automate the flow between development, testing, and deployment, ensuring faster delivery of high-quality applications. Quality and test management. It provides comprehensive test management capabilities, including test case creation, execution, and tracking. Teams can perform continuous testing and manage defects across the life cycle, ensuring high software quality. Real-time analytics and reporting. Octane provides powerful analytics and reporting capabilities that allow teams to monitor project health, track key performance indicators, KPIs, and make data-driven decisions throughout the development life cycle. Compliance and governance. For industries where compliance is critical, like healthcare or finance, Octane helps ensure that the software development process aligns with regulatory standards and governance requirements. Scalability and flexibility. OpenText ALM Octane is designed to scale across large enterprises and different types of development projects, supporting both small teams and large, distributed ones. It can be customized to meet specific team needs and workflows. How can OpenText ALM Octane improve collaboration across development teams? OpenText ALM Octane enhances collaboration across development teams through several key features that streamline communication, foster transparency, and improve overall efficiency. Centralized workflows. Octane centralizes all project activities, allowing teams to access and track requirements, tasks, and progress in real time. This ensures everyone is on the same page and reduces miscommunication. Cross-team visibility. With built-in dashboards, team members can easily see the status of work across different teams. This improves transparency and allows teams to address dependencies or bottlenecks early. Integration with DevOps tools. Octane integrates with popular DevOps tools like Jenkins, Git, and Jira, enabling smooth collaboration between development, testing, and operations teams. It supports continuous integration and delivery, ensuring teams can collaborate seamlessly throughout the life cycle. Agile support. It supports agile methodologies, Scrum, Kanban, which help teams work iteratively and collaborate more efficiently. Teams can manage sprints, track backlog items, and adjust priorities based on evolving needs. Communication and notifications. The tool offers automated notifications, comments, and collaboration features so that team members can easily communicate, review work, and give feedback on tasks without needing to switch between multiple platforms. Collaboration across geographies. With cloud-based capabilities, Octane enables teams working from different locations to access the same resources and collaborate effectively, regardless of time zones. Testing and quality assurance integration. Octane facilitates collaboration between development and QA teams by integrating test management features, enabling teams to plan, execute, and monitor testing cycles collaboratively. What are the key features and functionalities of OpenText ALM Octane? OpenText ALM Octane is a comprehensive application lifecycle management (ALM) solution designed to streamline software development and ensure quality throughout the life cycle. Here are some key features and functionalities. 1. Agile project management. Backlog management allows teams to organize and prioritize work items, user stories, and tasks in agile backlogs. Sprint planning and tracking provides tools to plan sprints and track progress using boards, burn-down charts, and velocity tracking. Kanban and Scrum boards offers both Kanban and Scrum views to manage tasks and user stories based on team preference. 2. Test management. Test case design facilitates the creation, execution, and management of test cases. Test automation integration supports integration with automated test frameworks, helping reduce manual testing effort and enabling continuous testing. Defect management tracks defects through life cycle stages and links them to requirements, stories, and tests. Test execution tracking provides insights into test execution status, enabling teams to track the quality of builds in real time. 3. Requirements management. Requirement traceability ensures complete traceability from requirements to tests and defects, ensuring alignment throughout the life cycle. Collaboration facilitates cross-team collaboration for defining and managing requirements, ensuring clarity and consistency. 4. Release management. Release planning and scheduling enables teams to plan, schedule, and track releases, ensuring proper coordination across development and operations teams. Continuous integration. CI integrates with CI tools to streamline build verification and testing, helping to ensure that releases are always ready for deployment. 5. Collaboration and communication. Real-time collaboration offers collaboration features like chat, notifications, and sharing, making it easier for teams to stay aligned and work together. Advanced reporting and dashboards provides robust reporting capabilities and visual dashboards which help teams track key metrics such as project progress, quality, and productivity. 6. Agile and DevOps integration. DevOps pipeline integration integrates with DevOps tools and practices, providing support for continuous integration, continuous delivery, CI/CD, and feedback loops. Automation facilitates automation of processes such as testing, building, and deployment, enhancing speed and reducing errors in the life cycle. 7. Scalability and flexibility. Multi-team support enables handling complex projects by supporting multiple teams and configurations, making it suitable for large enterprises with diverse teams. Customizable workflows allows organizations to tailor workflows and process templates to suit their specific development methodologies. How can you integrate OpenText ALM Octane with other development tools and systems? Integrating OpenText ALM Octane with other development tools and systems can streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and improve project management. Here are some ways to integrate Octane with other tools. 1. REST APIs. OpenText ALM Octane provides a RESTful API that allows for integration with other tools and systems. Using the API, you can interact with different parts of Octane, such as workspaces, iterations, requirements, defects, and more. You can build custom integrations or extend functionality based on your needs. Automated test integration. Integrate with test automation frameworks, example Jenkins, Selenium, to report test results and defects directly to Octane. Build systems. Integrate with CI/CD tools like Jenkins or Bamboo to manage builds and deployments and associate those with Octane issues, ensuring better traceability. 2. Plugins and connectors. OpenText ALM Octane offers various plugins and connectors for popular development and collaboration tools. Some of the common integrations include Jira integration, synchronized effects, user stories, and tasks between Jira and Octane. This integration keeps the development and testing teams aligned. Git and GitHub link code commits and pull requests with work items in Octane, allowing developers to track code changes related to specific tasks or defects. Jenkins integration with Jenkins helps automate the build and test pipeline. Test results, job status, and issues can be reported to Octane for visibility and tracking. 3. Agile and project management tools integration. Jira Agile. If your teams use Jira for managing agile projects, you can integrate Jira's agile features, sprints, epics, stories, with Octane's project management. This can keep requirements and backlog items synchronized. Slack or Microsoft Teams. You can use Octane's notifications and alerts to integrate with communication tools like Slack or Teams, sending real-time updates about project progress, builds, or issues. 4. Test management integrations. Test automation tools. Octane integrates with test automation tools like UFT or Selenium. You can automate test execution and upload results directly into Octane for better traceability and reporting. Manual testing. Manual testing tools, example HP ALM-QC, can be integrated with Octane to ensure seamless reporting of test cases, results, and defects. 5. CI/CD integration. Jenkins, Bamboo, TeamCity. These CI/CD tools can be integrated with Octane to automatically push build statuses, test results, and logs to your Octane workspace. This enables real-time visibility into the development life cycle. 6. Custom integrations. Middleware. You can use middleware platforms such as MuleSoft or Dell Boomi to integrate Octane with other third-party tools like SAP, Oracle, or custom applications. Custom scripts. Writing custom scripts using the Octane API to automate the flow of data between Octane and other systems. Example, a custom tool for issue tracking, reporting, or resource management. What role does OpenText ALM Octane play in continuous integration and continuous delivery? OpenText ALM Octane plays a significant role in continuous integration (CI) and continuous delivery (CD) by helping organizations streamline the development life cycle, enhance collaboration, and accelerate delivery of high-quality software. Here's how it contributes. Integration with CI/CD tools. OpenText ALM Octane integrates with popular CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Git, and others. This enables seamless automation of build, test, and deployment processes, ensuring continuous feedback on code quality and functionality throughout the development life cycle. Real-time visibility. It provides a centralized dashboard to track the progress of your CI/CD pipeline in real time. With Octane, teams can monitor builds, test results, and deployment statuses, helping identify issues quickly. Test management. OpenText ALM Octane offers robust test management features. It supports automated test execution, test result analysis, and defect management. This helps to ensure that all tests pass before deployment, reducing the likelihood of bugs in production. Collaboration across teams. Octane enhances collaboration between development, operations, and QA teams. It provides a unified platform for tracking requirements, user stories, and tasks, ensuring all teams are aligned and working towards the same goals. Agile and DevOps practices. It supports Agile and DevOps methodologies by providing tools to manage sprints, backlogs, and releases. This allows teams to quickly iterate, test, and deliver new features in shorter development cycles. Quality and risk management. ALM Octane tracks quality metrics and potential risks, enabling teams to address them early in the development process. It also integrates with security scanning tools, helping ensure that vulnerabilities are detected and resolved quickly. How do you manage requirements and test cases in OpenText ALM Octane? In OpenText ALM Octane, managing requirements and test cases involves several key steps to ensure smooth tracking, alignment, and execution across teams. Here's an overview. Managing requirements. Creating requirements. You can create requirements from scratch or import them from external sources such as spreadsheets or test management tools. Each requirement in Octane can be detailed with a description, versioning, and associated tags for better categorization. You can link requirements to specific product features, user stories, or epics for better alignment with agile or waterfall processes. Organizing and categorizing. Use folders, workspaces, and categories to organize requirements into logical groups. You can also use custom fields to capture specific attributes related to your business processes. Traceability. Octane provides full traceability between requirements, user stories, tests, and defects. As requirements evolve, you can trace how they're impacted by changes, ensuring continuous alignment across teams. Version control. OpenText ALM Octane supports versioning for requirements, enabling you to track changes over time, making it easy to compare and manage requirements across multiple iterations. Collaboration. Teams can collaborate in real time by adding comments, tagging relevant stakeholders, and setting notifications for any updates or changes. Managing test cases. Creating test cases. You can create test cases manually or import them from external tools. Each test case can be associated with specific requirements to ensure alignment. Test cases can be detailed with steps, expected results, and configurations. Test case organization. Similar to requirements, test cases can be organized into test suites, which can be used to group tests by functionality or release version. Use folders and custom fields for further categorization. Linking requirements to test cases. OpenText ALM Octane provides the ability to link test cases directly to specific requirements, user stories, and defects, ensuring traceability from testing to requirements. Execution and results. Test cases can be executed manually or integrated with automated testing tools. During test execution, the results can be logged with detailed information, including status, pass-fail, execution logs, and screenshots for analysis. What reporting and analytics capabilities does OpenText ALM Octane provide for better decision-making? OpenText ALM Octane offers several reporting and analytics capabilities that can help organizations make more informed decisions. Some of the key features include custom dashboards. OpenText ALM Octane provides customizable dashboards that give a real-time overview of project and portfolio status, such as progress, risks, and quality. Users can choose widgets to display metrics that matter most to their role or team. Advanced analytics. It includes advanced analytics capabilities that help teams track and analyze performance over time. For example, it allows for trend analysis, resource utilization, and cycle time metrics to evaluate efficiency and identify areas of improvement. Reporting on quality metrics. With built-in reporting tools, Octane allows for detailed tracking of quality-related metrics like defect trends, test coverage, and pass-fail ratios. This helps ensure that quality is consistently monitored and improved. Real-time reporting. Users can access up-to-date reports on project health, user stories, test cases, and sprints. Real-time reporting helps decision-makers assess risks and take immediate action when issues arise. Agile metrics. For agile teams, Octane provides key metrics like sprint velocity, burn-down charts, and cumulative flow diagrams. These metrics give insights into team performance and help adjust strategies in real time to ensure successful outcomes. Predictive analytics. Octane offers predictive analytics to forecast project outcomes, such as delivery timelines and resource needs. This helps teams proactively plan and mitigate risks before they impact the project. Integration with external BI tools. For more complex or advanced analysis, Octane integrates with external business intelligence tools like Power BI or Tableau, enabling the creation of custom reports that can aggregate data from multiple sources. Why choose ProExcellency for OpenText ALM Octane online training? ProExcellency is a well-regarded provider for OpenText ALM Octane online training for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically offers trainers with extensive experience and practical knowledge of OpenText ALM Octane. Their trainers are often professionals who have hands-on experience in real-world environments, ensuring a practical, relevant learning experience. Comprehensive curriculum. Their curriculum is designed to cover all essential aspects of OpenText ALM Octane, from basic functionalities to advanced features. It includes modules that focus on agile project management, test management, CI/CD integrations, and much more. Flexible learning. Being an online training provider, ProExcellency often offers flexible timings to accommodate various schedules. This is especially useful for professionals balancing work and learning. Hands-on practice. ProExcellency emphasizes practical exercises and real-world use cases. You'll likely get opportunities to work directly with the OpenText ALM Octane platform through labs and projects, solidifying your understanding. Certification preparation. If you're preparing for certifications related to OpenText ALM Octane, ProExcellency may also provide tailored courses that help you prepare effectively for exams, boosting your credentials. Support and resources. ProExcellency often offers post-training support, so if you encounter any challenges after the course, you can reach out for guidance. This ensures that the learning process doesn't stop once the course concludes. Affordable pricing. In addition to the quality of training, their pricing is usually competitive, ensuring that you get great value for your investment. Customer satisfaction. Reviews and feedback from previous students often highlight ProExcellency's strong customer service and commitment to helping students succeed. Thank you.